toughest run I've ever done, but well worth it.
Loved it. It was beautiful.
Loved it. It's just amazing. Amazing. You went right. Yeah.
Would you look at the colours in this place? This is Tollymore Forest Park in Northern Ireland, and it's today's site of the 26Extreme trail races. Thank you, by the way, to 26Extreme who are officially sponsoring this video today. So today there is an ultra marathon, a marathon and a half marathon. I'm doing the half. The ultra marathon started over an hour ago at 8 AM, 7:50. The ultra is starting in 10 minutes. I thought I'd pop down and watch them head off. I feel like I haven't quite upped my game. These two ran the half marathon last year and now they're doing the ultra.
James Greer
and
Thomas Wilson.
40 miles, 3 loops.
Round up.
Best of luck to you. I'm glad I'm not doing it. Here's Ian from 26Extreme. Ian, tell me about the event.
Well, we're here in the beautiful Tollymore Forest Park. The ultra is just left, so they've got 3 laps of the course today, and shortly we're going to have the marathon head off from here for their 2-lap course, and then the half marathon after that. We also have a 10k challenge as well. Crisp and clear and beautiful out there, and hopefully everyone enjoys themselves. Well, one of the highlights, I suppose, finishing these races is getting a bottle of the Moore Brewery's beer at the end. They make a beer just for our races and they're branded up, and they'll be here at the finish line.
And speaking of beverages, instead of using plastic bottles, 26Extreme have started using little compostable cups at the water stations.
We really get sick of the amount of plastic we were leaving behind at events, so we work with a packaging company, a Northern Ireland based company who manufacture compostable cups for us.
That's good.
Awesome.
Okay, I'm gonna go and get registered in a minute. I camped out here last night because I couldn't be bothered driving down this morning. It was cold. It was so cold. I can highly recommend the campsite here at Tollymore. Look at my view this morning.
Stephen Reid. There we go.
Oh my God,
Thank you.
Stephen Reid has tagged you.
Full marathon's about to go.
First of all, folks, you're going to come back through here. It can get confusing later in the day.
It's one of the ultra runners.
It will get more
He's got
choppy
2
built
laps
up around the area.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Enjoy, folks. Tollymore Trail Full Marathon Event 2019.
And that's the full marathon away. Now I've just got to kill 2 hours until the half starts. Go get a coffee. Find the rest of the Ballymena runners. I was very enthusiastic.
That's not the start of the race.
They're all aiming for 150.
That's just changing.
We're away.
Under your wing.
I find it so fun.
I'm exhausted. Absolutely exhausted.
Nothing ever will be quite the same. And I wouldn't say that it's been a hard time.
Heading down to the bottom of the valley, down the river. Follow the river. Downstream, upstream, upstream. And then we start the first climb, which is fun. By fun I mean horrible.
To prove that I am true, I hope you believe me. I will stay and never
2 miles down to the river. This is Paul from, oh, mind the bumpy ground. Here, Paul from Springwell Runners. Done this a few times. Yeah. How's it going?
along the street.
It's not too much further until we're into the first climb. I think it's about another half kilometre maybe. And it loops back, crosses the river, and we start to go up. There's the first climb. Ready for it? I mean, no. That is definitely cheating. Which one? I've been sitting ahead for your wife to say you have to wear them. 4 miles, and you think you're nearly at the top of this hill, and then you turn around and you see everybody's heading on up that way. We're pretty dark right now. We're going, oh my, just hold on.
It's like you're speaking foreign language.
Have you done this before?
No, this one has. Challenging. Sniper.
There's the Mourns, which means we're nearly onto the worst part of this climb. So I'd forgotten about it from last year. It's a little roller coaster. Woo. Five miles in.
Not too bad so far. Early days yet though.
Yeah.
Tough stuff to come yet.
Enjoying the race?
All good.
So when you can hear the river for the second time after that first descent, then you know the real fun is about to begin with the second climb. It's not that bad, it's terrible. .88 miles, so just over halfway. There's Mark.
Happening.
He's having a great time.
Brilliant. I'm waiting. When's it over? Where's my beer?
Alan overtook me, so he's wound up in the video.
And he's soon to be back there. Keep going.
Enjoy. This bit of the hill climb is pretty unforgiving. Secret is slow down, but don't walk. It's nasty. I think my face is covered in snot. That's the top, just about. If you don't feel that your lungs are on fire and you might throw up, you weren't trying hard enough. Video for this year. There's a lot downhill for the last 3-4 miles, so I'm gonna mostly put this camera away and try and pick up my pace. So far I've made up 10 seconds per mile on target pace. I need to shave off another 14. Still 3 miles to go. Another bit of hill. But you can hear the finish line from here. This one really starts to hurt. If I cannot go for another 6 seconds, I'm looking at personal best. Last climb back up to the road. I'm nearly there. Come on. Don't walk, don't walk. I just looked up. Oh, this bit's horrendous. Come on, come on. Do not stop, do not stop. That's the worst bit. Now I just gotta actually pick up speed. Oh, I don't think I'm gonna make 150, but let's try. No! Well, I guess that's it. I'm not gonna beat 150. I might as well just lie down in these leaves and go to sleep. Come on, it's not actually that far, it's farther left. It's just this. Come on, come on. Place after you. You didn't get a PB, but you can do a sprint finish. I don't know about that. Maybe a sprint finish from the Ranger's hut. Yeah, if you do that, people think you ran the whole way. Good idea. Okay, let's go.
Toughest run I've ever done, but well worth it. Easier than the causeway. Enjoyable.
Loved it. It was beautiful. It was gorgeously amber the whole way around.
And how did you learn the route?
Your YouTube video.
This man here ran the ultra 40 miles. I will shake your hand. What do you think of the race?
Loved it.
Proud man.
Loved it.
Back next year?
Yep. Without doubt. Without doubt back next year. Without doubt.
I think those are endorsements.
We're in Mourne Mountains Brewery, based in Warren Point, Northern Ireland. We have our blonde, it's our 4.2% light, crisp, easy drinking beer. Perfect for after a long run.
Somebody fell.
I failed mile 5.
You still finished though, so.
I did.
Mile 5?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's time doing it.
5th?
And I'll do it again.
Thanks for this guy. I'm here today. He made me do it by follow him on YouTube. Make sure you follow him on YouTube on his page.
Hear that, 26Extreme?
Short
What's your name?
Patrick.
Patrick.
From Italy.
So again, a massive cheer for our top
Anyway,
3 in the full marathon
Next year,
event.
make sure you're here because he's just amazing. Amazing. You were right.
Yeah.
Great, yeah.
6 o'clock
Thank
this
you.
morning.
And I am done. I have got my medal. I have run a half marathon today, so you know what that means. For the rest of the day I can eat whatever I want, and if anyone protests I can say, you know what, I can eat what I want because I just ran a half marathon. Really enjoyed that. Didn't beat last year's time, although that might be because I was running with 2 cameras this year instead of 1, but as always, absolutely fantastic race. Everybody I spoke to when I was out on the course absolutely loved it, thought the course was fantastic, apart from, of course, the hills. I'm not just saying this because they're sponsoring the video, but I would highly recommend 26Extreme events. If you're a road runner and you've never gone on the trail before, 26Extreme events, I found personally going from road to trail are a really good way to get started. And I would recommend, if you're going to get started, either do Tollymore or try the Causeway Coast Half Marathon or any of the other events that they have on, and you can go check out their website. But that is me for now. I am absolutely freezing, so I'm gonna get in the car, get the heaters on, and start driving home. Bye bye.